Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I created this origami style animation you're watching right now. It looks complex, but the whole thing is actually built from simple still images and a few tricks inside the Midjourney web editor. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to make a full animation like this yourself, step by step. So the first step is choosing a visual concept. For this project, I went with an origami world, everything made of folded paper, but in totally different scenes. I wrote a bunch of prompts in the same style, like origami butterfly storm, thousands of folded paper butterflies taking flight from a giant open book, or origami floating islands, waterfalls folded like ribbons of paper, or even origami samurai army, hundreds of warriors folded from black and red paper. Midjourney gives you 4 images for every prompt. I picked the best one from each set and hit upscale, so they would all be clean and sharp. And don't worry, every prompt I used in this video is listed in the first comment for you to copy. After a few minutes, I had a whole collection of origami scenes, all matching in style, but each with a completely different setting. Once I had all the upscaled images, I planned the order of the shots. There isn't a special tool for this, it's just thinking like a director. Which scene should open the video, what it should transform into, and how the whole journey flows. Then, for each animated transition, I used Midjourney's Animate Manually feature. Here's the exact process. I start with the image that will open the shot. For example, this one created from the prompt Origami Ocean Waves, a vast seascape of folded paper waves, giant origami whales breaching, schools of fish folded from metallic foils shimmering underwater. I click Animate Manually and this image automatically becomes my starting frame. Then I pick the image that will end the animation. In this case, Origami Jungle, dense rainforest where every leaf, vine and animal is folded from patterned paper, with origami tigers and parrots moving through the mist. Now comes the important part, the animation prompt. This prompt tells Midjourney how the first image should transform into the second one. You don't just describe the ending scene, you describe the transition itself. So for this shot I wrote, all the fish explode and turn into an origami jungle, a dense rainforest where every leaf, vine and animal is folded from patterned paper, tigers and parrots made of origami stalking and flying within, humid mist rolling across. Notice what's happening here. I reference elements from the starting frame, I describe the transformation action, then I fully describe the ending frame, so Midjourney knows exactly what world we're landing in. This structure helps Midjourney understand the flow. Image A, transformation event, image B. If you want the exact animation prompts I used, you'll find all of them in the first comment under the video. Once I send it to Generate, Midjourney creates 4 short 5-second clips. I preview all of them and simply pick the strongest one. And I repeat this exact process for every transition in the video. When all the mini animations are ready, I pull them into an editor. DaVinci Resolve works great, and it's free. I place each 5-second clip on the timeline, line them up, and make sure the pacing feels smooth. Once everything flows together, I add music, export the project, and that's it! The full origami animation is ready! If you want to try this yourself, the process is easier than it looks. It's just creating images, choosing transitions, and letting Midjourney do the animation work for you. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial with screen recordings, let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tell me what style you want to see me animate next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one!